Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, I think you guys will confuse or you guys know the topic what we're going to talking about.
Because this
This man.
This
You
man.
know this man and this big cannon and then this is a tower, king tower.
Yes.
Now, what does that mean?
Iya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This is
Sure.
we can see the army is fighting. Yeah. And
Yes.
then the king is like, what should I do? Confusing
Yes.
when he is seeing the big cannon. Yeah.
And the king will duel with this
Yeah. This man.
man.
Yeah. Duel is very epic.
Yes.
Yeah. You know the book that is called Ghazi.
Yes, I know.
Yeah. Ghazi.
But I just read until the episode 3 or 4. I forget.
Yeah, I think Ghazi still have one line.
One line
with this story.
story.
Yeah. Okay, guess what, guys? What we're talking about? If you don't know, okay, let's go.
Yeah,
This
let's
is
go.
epic slide. I think
Yeah.
I will make wallpaper with this.
Yeah.
I will using this for my new wallpaper. Yeah, of course. After this. Okay.
So this is Mehmet too. Yeah, Mehmet is some Muhammad. People Muhammad. Okay, so this is Mehmet too, or we can say Muhammad Al-Fatih.
Yeah. The child of Murad.
Yes,
Yes.
of course. The fall of Constantinople and the success of the Ottoman Turks.
Yeah, this story very iconic of Islamic story
Yes.
because you know the most iconic of those that is they are pulling a ship.
Oh yes.
Yes,
Pulling a ship until go to war.
Yeah, to
Yeah.
the land and then to the
Yes.
battlefield. Yeah, that's
Battlefield.
very epic.
But with the what to say waterline.
Yes. I think in nowadays we heard that story is very
Yes.
possible for us because so many men that is pulling the big ship that is carrying a
Yes.
cannon and carrying a supplies for a war,
For
great
war.
war. We say.
This is so cool story that I have read it or not. Yeah, read it in comic or not novel like that.
Okay, let's begin our slide. The epic Islamic story about the fall of Constantinople and the success of the Ottoman Turks. Let's go.
Okay, so
We go into the prologue.
how can Constantinople exist?
Okay.
Yeah.
The city of Constantinople was founded by Constantius I. That is
Yeah.
the previous
Previous
king. Yeah, we can say king.
king in this.
Yeah. And Constantinople is town hall. Yeah.
Yeah, town, some
Yeah.
town in the middle of Europe and what?
In Asia.
Asia,
We can say Asia.
yeah,
Asia.
like that.
And this city it was built on the city of Byzantium. So there is already have a city, but Constantinople is built on that city. So there's already
yes.
and then Constantinople like boom. Yeah. And Constantinople is the most important city for the Roman Empire because the city is so good for trading and then
For now, good for vacation.
yeah, good for vacation.
Yes.
And this town is beauty. Beauty because very aesthetic. The building is like, oh my god.
How to say old buildings.
Yeah, old buildings.
Yes, the
like
depth is so
Europe buildings combined with
Asian.
Asian. Yeah,
Oh my God.
not Asian, yeah, but Arabic. Yeah, we say Arabic.
Yes.
Very cool. And it also became the capital of Eastern Rome. Okay, in this time, Roman Empire is being split into two. Eastern Rome and then so this is Constantinople, this is the Eastern Rome, and then this is the North
The
Rome.
next one,
the next one.
upper one.
Yeah. So there is two capital city of Rome. Yeah, we gonna talk about Constantinople, of course. And after the Theodosius I died, and the Roman state became divided. Yeah, that's why Roman Empire became divided because the Emperor Theodosius I died. Okay.
Okay.
Constantinople as capital of Eastern Roman, almost during the Middle Age, this capital doesn't got attacked because it's very hard.
Very hard because the
wall is very tricky. Yeah, even a big cannon just can affect little
yeah.
effect on that wall because so hard.
So hard to destroy the wall and have a layer too
Yes.
on the Constantinople, and that is the iconic of Constantinople in that era.
Yeah, and if you know, Constantinople is like this is the Ottoman Turks and this is the Constantinople. So it's there is a sea, so the Constantinople and Ottoman Turks can gain money
Yes.
from that. So Constantinople is very important for the Eastern Roman Empire until the Eastern Roman Empire is fall down.
Fandom.
Yeah, and that's why so many country in Europe and in East Asia, country want this capital city. Yeah, and yeah, Constantinople became the largest and most prosperous city in all Europe during its existence. Constantinople was very special, so yeah, not surprisingly, someone to control this city. Strategic, beautiful, and good. How to say? Good defense.
Oh, good defense.
Yes, good defense. And yeah, we're going to the next slide. Let's go.
Why the Ottoman Turks is want to conquer the Constantinople?
Yeah.
Okay, actually, because the first reason is the ayat Quran. Yeah, Allah say that not in ayat Quran but
Oh, hadis.
hadis.
Yeah, Prophet
Yeah.
Muhammad SAW said,
Who is the one to conquer the Constantinople is the people, how to say, like sebaik-baiknya, like that.
yes.
Yes, and actually before Muhammad Al-Fatih want to
Conquer
conquer Constantinople, the father of the Muhammad Al-Fatih,
Sultan Murad.
yes, Sultan want to conquer the Constantinople,
Yes.
but it's failed because too hard.
It's too hard.
And why Ottoman Turks want to conquer the Constantinople? Because like Harry said, it's a beautiful countries, have a good trade countries,
Yes, good
and
trade.
strategic because in the middle of Europe and East Asia,
Yeah.
right? So yeah, like that because Ottoman Turks want to conquer the Constantinople, so have more spirit to conquer the Constantinople. Yeah.
Because the hadis ya.
Yeah, because the hadis.
Prophet Muhammad said, Inshallah, Islam will make Constantinople fall into the hand of
Yes.
Islam. Yeah, of course, not only that, Ottoman want to control international trade activities in the Constantinople region. So this is Europe, this is Southeast Asia. Yeah, why not? Easy money. Yeah.
So strategic place for Constantinople in that era. Oh my God.
Yes, and yeah, Sultan Muhammad Al-Fatih want to make Eastern Europe, Byzantium, to fall down.
Oh yes.
Yes, fall down. And yeah, going to the next slide. Yes,
Yes.
hold on.
Okay. Let's go.
This is
Okay.
we snap back to his father, Murad. When Murad led the Ottoman faced resistance from the Crusader of the great European empire.
Mhm.
And the Ottoman deal with small tribal throughout the empire. So Ottoman is a big country, so we don't say there is not
How to say?
nice country,
Nice country.
peace country. There's so many rebellion.
Yes.
Yeah, that way. Okay, this I'm clear yeah, that when Murad I,
Murad one.
yes, Murad I is fighting Hungarian, Polish, Walesian, Moldovan, infantry troops. So the king, I forgot the name. The king is
Yes.
sent a letter to the all European king, but all European king don't want to respond the letter because
Oh.
they are don't want to fight with the Ottoman. They want to have peace.
Have peace, yes.
Because before this big great war, the Europe is fell to the battle. Ottomans win, so
Oh,
that's the reason. And this country launched frontal assault against the Ottoman on the opening day of the war, and then they are forced to retreat. So there is a great war. The Ottoman and this crusader, we say crusader, they are face each other, and then after how to say sengit,
It,
yeah, a hard battle. The crusader and the Ottoman forced to retreat, yeah, and then the left wing and then the right
Right
wing
wing.
of the Ottoman is retreat to make
new position.
new position. And then European crusader see this is a good opportunity to attack, but they are wrong. Yeah,
Oh.
that's a trap for the European, and then it's a good strategy. And then
Yes.
the left wing and the right wing is combat again.
Also,
Yes.
like want to back and after that want to
Yes.
war again.
Mhm. And launching frontal assault. And yeah, of course, Crusader is fell on this battle. And after the Great War, the road of Constantinople was now wide open. When Murad II passed away, his son Muhammad
Yes,
II,
Muhammad too.
or we say Muhammad Al-Fatih, in 1451, the Ottoman goal was to take the Byzantine capital. Yes.
So Muhammad Al-Fatih in his age is very, how to say, muda, yeah, like
Yeah, young man,
yeah.
still a young man.
Still young man, and after that want to switch from Murad to Muhammad to become the leader of
Yeah, Ottoman.
Turks. That is so cool
Yeah,
because
he's still young.
yeah, still young.
Still teenagers, bro.
We still
Yeah, we still yeah. But this man can inspire so many young people
yes.
around the world. That is, you can, even you are a young man, you can lead your country if you have
Yeah, if you have opportunities and
opportunity and
spirit. More spirit.
More spirit.
Okay, you want to go to next slide?
Let's go.
Okay. Okay.
Why this is called Mehmed II? Zidan, can you explain?
Mehmet too, because in Turk, people Turk call Muhammad is Mehmet.
Yeah, because the tongue of Europeans. Yeah. Because
So
Muhammad
that-
is Muhammad in Arabic, Muhammad.
Muhammad.
But
say
in
Muhammad.
Europe, they like hard to say
How to
Muhammad.
say-
So
Also
the accent changed to Mehmed.
Mehmet.
But it's the same meanings.
Mean. But more cool Mehmet than Muhammad.
Okay, can you tell to the viewer or to the old friend what
Okay.
is Mehmed II doing?
So Mehmet II is now leading the empire, of course. After Sultan Murad II, yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
of course.
So if we see, Mehmet II took over the throne of the Sultan at 12 age. It's so
So
young,
young.
yeah, so young, and with his spirit, opportunities, and other, it will make the what how to say Ottoman Turks, or like the how to say, like pasukan army,
Oh, army,
more
strongest.
strongest and more spirit.
Okay.
So after, how to say, like after years,
Yeah, at the age 21.
yes, at the age,
Mehmed II, major, starting to sell Constantinople, and he made a great gun, the large cannon, to penetrate the city's
Yeah.
solid walls.
but if you know,
And the siege lasts for almost 2 months. Yeah, they are siege the city, around the city,
Yeah.
from the water, from the land, not from the air.
Yeah.
Yeah.
but if you know,
Huh?
the cannon is made by some people that Mehmet II is want to try to help. So I forget the story, but if Mehmet II is try to say to the army that just get that people or that man go to this place, because that man is in jail.
Yeah.
Yeah. So with a fast handle, the army of Mehmet II can take the man, go to Mehmet II, and make like trade with the how to say, with the man. So with that man, Mehmet II say, can you make some
Big cannon.
big cannon that can
Penetrate.
break the
Yes.
wall of Constantinople, because the people is, I forget it, know about the how to destroy the
Oh yeah.
how to break the wall of Constantinople, like that. So he made that cannon, the man, and after that the cannon is want to try. Yeah. So the cannon is will try at the Constantinople. So the how like kerbau, yeah,
Oh
with
yeah.
kerbau. So because the cannon is so big, that is egg, or how many there is many kerbau is
How do we say kerbau in English?
yeah, bull. There is so many bull that send the cannon go to Constantinople, like that.
Wow, that's a great
That-
story. Okay, now this the battle day. You know the Muslim
Yeah.
have 100 fighters, 89 cannons, 126 ships, and the
Over
enemy only
three.
have 7,000
Yes.
professional descended troops, including for 500 French
Oh.
tank, yeah,
Yes.
and a dozen or so guns, and ship is only 26, yeah, and we gonna jump. Wow, this is a great battle. The
I like
small
it.
army versus the big army.
Big army.
Yeah, but you know the defense of the Constantinople is like this. They have a chain here, so the Ottoman cannot go
Yeah.
to here, because this is the most
Oh,
weakest.
most weak.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we can see the Sut Romanus and Caligard. Okay, the first day, the big guns is shooting the Caligard, but it's only small effect. But after that, the big guns attack the another wall.
Oh.
Yeah, of course, the little effect. But you know, the big guns have some trouble.
Oh.
The big guns is
yes.
broke. Yeah.
Broke. Yeah. I
Broke,
know.
but in 8 days of repairing, the guns can working like
Normally.
normally. And you know, this is the most difficulty. But when it's night day, the Byzantine army want to ambush the cannon, but
Yes.
it cannot because the army of the around the cannon
Yeah.
is already knows the
Oh.
attack. Yes.
Yes.
And we're gonna move on to the most iconic
Story we can
Yeah.
say, yeah.
Story.
Story of conquer Constantinople.
yeah. Ottoman has prepared so many ships.
Yes.
1,000 ship, not 1,000, 100
But-
ship. But in Petra, they have some trouble issue here because when they are wanting to sail here to here, there is a chain that
Yes.
can sink the ship. And in Petra, the army can like easy shoot.
Yeah, they make just like this because maybe like who will try to attack Constantinople
Yeah, with
the
ships.
with ships that is so hard.
Yeah. And the Constantinople doesn't know. These orders that from Mehmed II is like out of the brain.
Yes.
They move the ship from the sea to the land, to the sea again, to the sea. And it's little fighting to Ottomans and the Constantinople ships.
Oh.
And the king order to all of the army to disperse
behind the
and you know, in a days that is the one of the wall is break, the all of the army goes in Constantinople
yes.
and Constantinople is fall down to the Ottoman Turks.
Yeah.
But before that,
Mehmed II is one to fight with the king
Yeah.
of, or we can say the leader of
yes,
Constantinople.
by one.
And of course, Muhammad Al-Fatih win.
Yeah.
Maybe because the sword, because the sword is so overpowered.
Yeah, so power is very sharp.
Right? Very
Sharpness
sharp.
4, unbreaking 9, I think.
How to say, like tissue fall to the sword,
And
the down of layer still is the what layer of high layer,
Huh?
the tissue it will break all, but the all not touch the sword yet. That is
Yeah.
so
So
overpowered.
overpowered.
And why Muhammad Al-Fatih want to have many idea because the sheikh and have motivated by Salahuddin Al-Ayyubi, if you know.
Yeah, I know.
Because Salahuddin Al-Ayyubi is dead when have a journey want to
Conquer.
conquer the Constantinople, but unfortunately Salahuddin in that journey is died.
Yeah, pass away.
Yeah, passed away. But in the how to say front of the Constantinople, so the people have the Mehmed II have motivated by that by Salahuddin Ayyubi.
And yeah, after that, Constantinople has fall into
Yeah.
Ottoman Turks and Islam is now spread into Constantinople.
Oh.
Yeah, it's the good ending. And yeah, sorry for this.
Yeah. Maybe we go to
This
first
is
one.
the most. If you see this picture, all of the Constantinople history will goes into your head.
Yes.
Ottoman, Constantinople, go into your head. Yeah. This is a slide made by me and Zida.
Yeah.
Thank you for listening. The last we say,
Don't forget to smile.
yeah.
The last I
Yes.
say, we say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.